Kithomo ni kimwe kia biria bigwatirite mugongo jwa nthiguru na ni untu bwa bubu ni kithagira gikigi kwa bunene ni thirikari na kinya giatigerwa kenda gitikangaratane endi bubu bwikarika aja Meru na kinya Omea Meru kithomo ni kionekete kuringika bunene na orimwe cha chukuru cha sekondari chikioneka kuthithia bwega inge kinya iri ugwatine bwa kuingwa. Imwe chia chukuru aja Meru iria chiari nchamba chia gukirwa nande ni ringikite bunene na kwina mahi kithomo aritwa na boba kioneka kuthama chukuru iji imwe igetigwa ugwatine bwa kuingwa kumania na kunyia kwaritwa na arekere imwe chia chukuru iji nitwetherete tugikinya batethirete kinya bagikinya igana mwandiki wetu Wantito Phineas Imana netanitie nacho aja Meru na kinya akienda kumenya thina inari iri amona kinya guchwantaira cha thina iji giki ni gichunchi kia mbere kia rugono rurwa mwanya mwerekera jwa kithomo.
Kithomo ni kimwe kintu binene bira thirikari ya nthiguru ya Kenya ithirite ni ndege kaira bunene kiri uritingwe bwayo kenda kuingia bu mabilioni ya mbeca ni ethaira ni ndia kerekera kwa rwangine ruro gitumi irinjira utigira kithomo ni kikwithira kitana mbere boya na buru kite kwangaratana rungu rotongeria bwa Rais Uhuru Kenyatta thirikari ni ethire ikireta mubango yotigira na bonde baraba kurikia primary ebakwithira bagita ndeni ya chukuru cha secondary kiri ira yethirite kimenyekana ya 100% transition.
Right, all our children should move to Form 1, and yes, there's going to be there are going to be challenges, right? Infrastructure will be stretched to the limit, and that's why we have the grants for infrastructure that we have at the Ministry of Education. Thanks to the decision by government and the policy by His Excellency the President that we have 100% transition. We have a requirement in our constitution that every child has a right to education, right? And we want to make sure that we actually comply.
Bobo kareka kore chukuru cha secondary kaitene kanindi chonanite kinya kwithira iro gwatine bwa kuingwa orengi chitete na mbere na kudhara amona ukucheria ritwa
kumuomba pia mtupatie wanafunzi pale shule ya Mkamaji Secondary ndio pia mkiendelea kukua pia hiyo iendelee kuwa pamoja, kwa sababu mpaka saa hizi vile chama ni Njori amesema watoto wamepotea wengi sana pale ile shule nzima tuko na watoto 52 only the two students in that school.
Rucheto imami kumama bire beto mami ni square ni stiti egoro twethera twena Cyprian yekawata mini 7.6 akaiga yekawata 7.4 Migino Ngao yekawata 7 point something St Angela yekawata 7 point something rware ikaitha ciene na kaliena na irindiro riongo atwari ukakia
kenda kumenya thine ina yoyongweri nituthirite tukilongaira chukuru mwanya na kwenda kumenya ina kukongwa thineri kuringana na mwarimu munene wa chukuru ya Kirendine Day Secondary School ira ina ritonkuru kiangirie mwe na kwithira itara kia manto ya mwe arbedrite nindi bakithia taira kendo tira chukuru eni wetana mbere na kuthara nete kuingwa ya irenge
by our enrollment to ina ana ngiri na maana yele ya yele na ndina candidate 400 for this year. Alitoba chukuru weje bate transfer noga nonge akeja. It's very rare to see mwana akiuma chukuru weje unless mzazi mushiari akadhama area kibara especially bara beje takuritangwe ma factory na look na that time, but due to the culture of the school alitoba to bate dhama
aritobongwa na chiari ne bangi barabethirite bakitethera kia chukuru ekiri ukura kwayo no tiera oburantu kwithire gieta na mbere kinya no bwari to bakongeleka
na baskuru eje bongwa ibaragia positive about their school and kinya beta matinda bashinda boga in our school we do this we perform well ibo baragia mante school eje na chiari by the way, because every other time tukiperform vizuri kila mzazi atakuwa anauliza Shule yetu imefanya aje, they really call me and they talk about our school. So kinya musiari yote kuendete kureta mwana. Kinya musiari mwana wao aweti in a big school. Wanaulizana kwa nini mpeleke huko na hata yetu ina perform.
Into miako nikingikira nindi kithaira kitethera kia cukuru gwetana mbere na cukuru hii nionekete kwiritanĩria utiira ni kuingia bo.
Na kintu kira nindi twithirite tukimenya bungi ni ati kinya miako ya cukuru ni tumana bakethera bai kucherwa ndene ya cukuru kwa ngerekano nyumekona ndini irasi bila bya kindeni ya cukuru ya Kirindene Day Secondary School na kina baba ingi bethera bai kenaira ontubo bona kia bate cukuru kinya cukuru yone yakwana nibeko bai cukuru ya kirasi keuro. Mitugo emwe ya ngwataniro ate karimo arungamiri ba cukuru na kinyanto ni ontubongi bumba uteria.
Mbithirituonde na very supportive teachers ambao wanabuy my idea, ukiwaambia tufanye hivi tunafanya. Da introduce a program in the school ya improve performance wame support. Like in 2010 it was with the library kenda to improve the reading culture ya Aritwa. So in Meru County by 2010 it was the biggest library.
Chukuru ya Ndaka ya St. Luke's nterechegesio bunge Ketiania West ni chukuru imwe ira yari ugwatine bukwingwa kumania kinyana kunia kwa Aritwa ndio ntubone ndi ni paulanire. Kendo chukaniria chukuru na komirita mayone yangatunyi mwarimu munene Francis Matiri na tumenyethetie ni bambirie manto takwariria Aritwa kendo tigira kinyane bakuchiria barabangi na kugia mitigo yagirite kendo ukira mathomoni.
Na kinya nyuma ya kwithira nindi cukuru ya niete Aritwa bunene cukuru ya St. Luke's ni moya ira chumbite kwithira yukira bunene na kinyotira nyocho kiewe tare ayo nyumene na kio tumitwithirite tukilunga kenda wikwa kuma kiari mo bobongore imbi babuthite ndene ya cukuru no tira ni ukira kikithomo.
Manduja ku increase ja plans in the school. Na manduja kwari Aritwa mono to bambiria eto pia counseling. Nikeda no Aritwa ba to baga refocus again. From a mean of around 4.98 to around 6.35. I mean an improvement of 1.4, which was a major achievement, and our effort was not in vain.
Daktari Mori Kibunga urakinya thoma ira imwe ya cukuru iriringekete boka danterechetiania na kujiro bokithomo ikithirite kikiringaika muno nterei. Ariwa cukuru ira chiari na iteyo na kinyokiro bunene nonto bakonenio chamba kithomone ni cukuru chionekete kuinama onto bobatire kuthangikirwa nampwi.
Kuja na cukuru ya Meathene Secondary School in Kenjai Ward of Tigania West. Chukuru ya a giant school. Ia perform well kabisa, it was doing very well. But okay, the past few years Chukuru came in a downward trajectory. Na imanto all stakeholders bonde actually babati ku karamwe baile relate onto Chukuru chetu cha Tigania West itekugweja boya ya burato kwa kiambe.
Kuringana na ikundi kia kurungamira arimo nikyo kupeta arimo kwithira batiko ugana ndene ya machukuru ni thinengi ira yithirite kioneka indi nitite na mbere na kwarirwa.
Agitation for employment of teachers. Na hara kuina understaffing na tukuona ki schools imochire staffed na imochi gather jinia chire overstaffed na ingi kabisa siri severely understaffed.
Turia kira kireo no wewe ngwa tumite thine kithire kirumaira machukuru na kinya kithomo kwinama ntuko yaro tukethira tukinja kenda kumenya thine yo yongwa nora batire kwithira akiolota wa kumania na mathina ya
tongeria bongi bweja bwa alimu bangi principals pantura naja skuru yu mwanka era demand to ye na mama mwanka kuru skuru ende school
secondary. Tumesukuma walimu ndio amleti watoto.
Unaangalia mzazi kama mtoto yuko hapa ama yuko shule nyingine pale karibu na Mekindori, huyo mtoto halipiwi fees.
Yes. Imana mwerekera ywa kithomo.